Again, we are bringing dance to our everyday lives, and some of my dancers have made mention how they've been playing games like basketball or baseball, and I know we have some soccer players out there, but I want to change things up a little bit. I challenge you to turn each of those games that you might be playing into a dance. So here's what I suggest. Each person gets a dance move. So example being, if you're playing basketball, one person can only move by doing passes, or another person can only move by doing ballet walks or runs. And I want you to take each of your dance steps that you know of and remember and apply them. So change it up. If one person can only do some ballets and ballet runs, and the other person can only do passes, it may be a little entertaining, and it breaks up the monotony of always doing the same thing over and over again. Same thing too, if you're playing around a baseball or catch or something, see if you can't possibly practice those dégagés as you're running after a ball, or see if you can add in some extra jumps as you're catching things, or if you're playing like soccer, try some of those tendus or your dégagés, or turn everything into a frappe. Get creative, have fun with it. I know that we're all kind of going through the challenge of not being bored, and I know we're all doing the same things on repeat, and so I want to take a little bit something that we know and just have fun with it. So I will see you tomorrow as we start exploring other games that we can play while dancing. I will see you then.